Nobody tells you this part when you are building your career. They tell you to save consistently, invest early, diversify your portfolio, and let compound interest do the work over time. They give you the standard framework and they present it as the complete picture. What they do not tell you is that the framework only produces its intended outcome when the person executing it is operating with full cognitive clarity at every decision point, when their ability to assess risk accurately, identify asymmetric opportunities, and execute without emotional interference is at the level the framework assumes it is. When the cognitive clarity is not there, when the mental sharpness that the framework depends on has been eroded by years of sustained financial stress, chronic pressure, and the relentless biological cost of operating in a high-demand environment, the framework continues generating its predictable, mediocre output while inflation, market complexity, and the compounding disadvantage of suboptimal decisions quietly eat the savings that the framework was supposed to protect. This is the situation that most men in their 40s and 50s are actually in right now. Not because they made bad decisions deliberately. Not because they lack the intelligence or the discipline the framework requires. But because the mental tool, their brain, is running on a degraded electrical frequency that makes their execution of the framework a pale shadow of what the framework is capable of producing when the cognitive instrument executing it is fully operational. Before I explain the specific biological mechanism behind this degradation and the 7-minute acoustic tool that directly addresses it at the neurological level, I want you to tap the link in my YouTube description right now. The full presentation, including the neuroscience data and the specific audio protocol engineered to target this exact problem, is currently available through that link. The page has been subject to compliance restriction pressure from mainstream financial institutions and access may be limited. Get it now. The mental sharpness decline that erodes savings is not primarily a function of age. Research on cognitive performance in men across the 40 to 60 age range shows that raw processing speed does decline modestly with age, but that this decline is marginal compared to the massive performance gap produced by the chronic high beta stress frequency that the financial pressures of middle age generate. A 50-year-old man operating in Theta, the brainwave state associated with peak cognitive clarity, subconscious pattern recognition, and calm executive function, dramatically outperforms a 30-year-old man operating in high beta on every metric relevant to financial decision-making. The problem is that chronic stress creates a biological feedback loop that makes theta access progressively harder. Cortisol, the stress hormone produced by sustained financial pressure, inflation anxiety, and the weight of long-term financial responsibility, does not simply create subjective feelings of stress. It physically alters the electrical environment of the brain. It elevates the high beta frequency. It disrupts hippocampal function, the hippocampus being the neural structure responsible for encoding new information, recognizing financial patterns, and connecting current market observations to the historical knowledge base your experience has built. When hippocampal function is disrupted by chronic cortisol exposure, you stop learning from your environment at the rate you should. The financial information you are processing daily, the market signals, the opportunity indicators, the risk patterns, is not being encoded with the fidelity your experience deserves. You are making decisions with full adult responsibility and incomplete cognitive access to your own expertise. Your savings are the downstream victim of this neurological gap between what your brain knows and what it can access under pressure. Neuro-acoustic entrainment is the mechanism that interrupts this feedback loop at the electrical level. A precisely calibrated binaural frequency, delivered through headphones, triggers the brain's involuntary frequency-following response, forcing your brainwave output from high beta into theta regardless of the cortisol present in your system. The hippocampus, suddenly operating in its optimal electrical environment, regains the encoding fidelity and pattern recognition accuracy that the stress frequency was suppressing. The prefrontal cortex, freed from the amygdala's high beta hijack, recovers the calm, strategic clarity that your experience and knowledge have been waiting to express. The 7-minute audio protocol available through the link in my YouTube description delivers this mechanism in its most efficient, most precisely engineered form. It was built from the understanding that a productive man over 40 does not have 4 hours to meditate. He has 7 minutes in the morning before the day's demands begin. The acoustic mathematics work within those 7 minutes. You do not need to believe in them. You need to press play and let the biological mechanism operate on its own terms. The compound interest your savings account was supposed to generate requires the compound interest of clear financial thinking to guide it. One bad risk assessment, one missed asymmetric opportunity, one panic-driven decision made from high beta cognitive impairment rather than theta clarity, these are the real enemies of financial independence in your 40s and 50s. The mental blocks are not motivational. They are electrical. And electrical problems have electrical solutions. Tap the link in my YouTube description right now. Clear the mental blocks. Access the frequency your brain needs to protect what you have built and grow what you have left to build.